Welcome to the exciting world of animals. Get ready to meet and learn the names of some amazing creatures. Lion. Elephant. Dolphin. Chameleon. Toucan. Narwhal. And many more. From lions to elephants, dolphins to chameleons, and toucans to narwhals, these are just a few of the incredible animals in our world. Keep exploring, and you'll discover a whole zoo of fascinating creatures. Thanks for joining us on this animal adventure. Stay curious and keep learning.